Here at Heal Within, healing starts with trust and care. Known as Central India's preferred homeopathy clinic, every step inside Heal Within brings peace and positive energy. At Heal Within, the hall is clean, calm, and always welcoming. The reception team here is always ready to help and guide every visitor with a smile. Experienced doctors like Dr. Vinaya and Dr. Neha listen carefully and understand every patient's health journey. Here at Heal Within, each homeopathic medicine is selected with special care for every patient. More than 15,000 patients have been treated with love and care. Diseases like cervical dystonia, autism, asthma, autoimmune diseases, and many other difficult cases are treated with good results. Dr. Kamlesh Kakde leads with years of experience and full dedication. Every patient receives personal care from Dr. Kakde with time and attention given to every case. Here at Heal Within, healing truly starts from within.